Remember sh? Yeah, we want to see how this one plays. Well, you remember that how we played with se? Now, this one is exactly like se, but it only sounds different. But let's see how it goes. Lowercase sh, capital sh. Comes at the beginning or in the middle, comes at the end only. Has to attach from here, but sometimes attached from here. We know why. Because of the previous letter. This one mainly comes alone, but again, depending on the letter before that, sometimes it attaches from here. Now, let's see how it looks like in the actual word. Here it comes at the beginning. It attaches because it has to. Here, attached from both sides because man wants to attach, and here it has no other choice. Here it doesn't attach from here because Z doesn't want to, but here it has to. And here it attached to T because T wants to. Imagine we didn't have T because A doesn't want to attach, it would have come alone. Now let's read these new words together. Look here. Sham, sham, sham. Sham is the same as dinner in English. This one, mashq, mashq. Mashq is the same as practices that you do after the class. Practice. Practice for school would be something like mashq. The things that you do after this video at home for practicing, they are calling mashq. Here, zesht, zesht. Zesht is the same as ugly in English. And the last one is atash. Atash. Atash is the same as fire in English. Atash, fire. Let's see what we have as mashq for next session. When for next session, for your mashq, 1 or 2 lines, write down this one, and the parts that it can attach to other letters, just show it with another color. Here, do the same for the capital as well. Next one is try to write down each one of these new words just once for practicing. No pressure, you don't have to memorize it. Just try to practice. And instead of saying dinner, from now on we say sham. Instead of saying practice, we say mashq. But remember, mashq is always for school or after this video. It's a kind of practicing for studying, okay? Something like studying, but you write it down. We call it mashq in Persian. Next one is, instead of saying ugly, we say zesht. And instead of saying fire, we say atash. Now that was all. Now you know sh as well. When you did your practices, your mashqs, don't forget to let me know in the comments. If you had any questions, again, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you all next session. And until then, bye!